Students, let's start the method of preparations of ketones. See, in previous video we have started and discussed method of preparation of aldehyde. Now today we are going to discuss ketones. So there are main three methods: from acyl chloride, from nitrile group, and from the benzene we can prepare ketones. See students, in with acyl chloride, that means the functional group is our COCl, that is called as acyl chloride. For preparing ketone we need dialkyl cadmium. So first of all, in first step we prepare dialkyl cadmium with the help of Grignard reagent, and the reaction with Grignard reagent RMgX, which is a Grignard reagent, react with cadmium chloride, give the formation of dialkyl cadmium with side product. This dialkyl cadmium, dialkyl cadmium reacts with acyl chloride. The alkyl group present on cadmium may be same or similar to acyl chloride, or it may be different, and we can prepare 2 moles of ketones along with side product of cadmium chloride. I am again repeating, in this method we required dialkyl cadmium. So in first step we prepared dialkyl cadmium with the help of Grignard reagent. Then in second step dialkyl cadmium is reacting with acyl chloride and give the formation of ketones. The alkyl group present on acyl chloride or dicadmium may be same or it may be different. It depends upon the need. Now formation of ketones with the help of nitrile group. Again we need Grignard reagent and nitrile group for this preparation of ketones. The nitrile group, see, the nitrile group is, we take the example of any nitrile, CH3, CH2, C triple bond N. It is a nitrile group. It is propane nitrile, reacts with Grignard reagent. Take any example of Grignard reagent. Here the addition reaction take place. Addition reaction take place, and but in this additional product, when we do the hydrolysis of this addition product in the acidic condition, we get ketones. So again repeating, nitrile group reacting with Grignard reagent give the formation of addition product. With this addition product on hydrolysis gives us ketones. And from the benzene or substituted benzene we can also get ketones, and under the name of reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. For example, we take the example of benzene on reaction with RCOCl group in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3 Lewis acid, and this will give the formation of your ketones. So these are the method of preparation of ketones. Now we are going to discuss physical properties of aldehyde and ketones. In first property, that is a boiling point. Now let's discuss what about how the boiling point varies. See, in case of aldehyde and ketone, only dipole-dipole interaction is present. Let's take the example of any aldehyde or simplest ketone. In this case, both cases, only dipole-dipole interaction is present. No H bonding is present. So, due to the presence of this dipole-dipole interaction within these molecule, they are developing a boiling point greater than ethers greater than hydrocarbons but less than alcohol. Because in case of alcohols, let's take the example of alcohol. In that is our ethanol, there is a presence of H bonding between the molecules, so they have the high boiling point. So, and in case of aldehyde and ketone, or we can say that the carbonyl groups, only dipole is created at the C double bond O. So there is only dipole-dipole interaction. So boiling point is lesser than alcohol, greater than hydrocarbons and ethers. Now the solubility part of aldehyde and ketones. See, aldehyde and ketones are soluble in water. How they are soluble in water? Because they can form hydrogen bonding with the water molecule. Within the molecule there is no hydrogen bonding, but with the water molecule they can form hydrogen bonding. Let's take the example of any aldehyde, and they can form hydrogen bonding with water molecule. So they are soluble with water molecule. And if we take the example of any ketones, again it can form the hydrogen bonding with water molecule. So it can soluble in water, but when the alkyl group increases, the solubility decreases. I am again repeating, if the size of alkyl group increases, solubility decreases. So these are the physical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Boiling point, lesser than alcohol, greater than hydrocarbons. Solubility, they are soluble in water due to the presence of hydrogen bonding, but when the alkyl group present on aldehyde and ketone increases, solubility decreases. So